Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a platform where you can earn good profits by following trading signals provided through our group. I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to deposit, how to withdraw, and how the games work. So now let's start with the registration phase. Take the link in the description or comment section of this video and then paste it on any of your browsers. You'll be redirected to register on this platform. Okay, so now we are on the sign up page. The first thing says you should enter your username. So whatever username you choose to make use of, just input it there. Okay, so now the next one is to input your phone number. In whatever country that you are in, you can just choose your country code and then input your phone number in the provided space. Now the next one is your password. You enter your password and then confirm your password. So that's the referral code there. Just leave it there and do well to agree to the terms, okay, before you click on the sign up button. So once you're done, click on sign up. That's how quick and easy it is to register an account. Once you're done registering an account, all you just have to do is to log into your account. So to get started, you first need to deposit. Simply click on the deposit icon on the home page and you'll be redirected to where you can copy the address. Simply send your amount to the address shown on the platform. I'm going through this part quickly because many of you are already familiar with the interface. It's just like an exchange where you can predict the market and potentially make profits. There is a disclaimer. This platform includes risk and I am not giving financial advice, so please do your own research before investing. Very quickly, let's explore the games. I'll start with the mind sweeping game. Actually, this is one of my favorites, and so many of you may be familiar with this type of game. So, the goal is to find diamonds while avoiding bombs. Okay, now here is how it works. The first thing you do is to enter the amount. For example, I'm going to enter $20. All right, and then once you've entered the amount, you click confirm and then you choose tiles carefully to avoid bumps and reveal diamonds. So once you reveal diamonds, you've won. Okay. For example, just as you saw right now, I just turned $20 into $30 by finding diamonds without hitting a bump. So once you're happy with your profits, you click on settle now to secure your earnings. Now let's talk about the popular red green game. On this particular game, you receive color signals, probably red, green, or purple from the group. Now, there is a Telegram group where we get the signals that guide us on which color to choose. Once you join the group, you will start receiving free color signals red, green, or sometimes purple. These signals are for the 1 minute red green game on the platform. You just follow the signal shared in the group and place your prediction accordingly. You can join this group. Everything is linked in the video description or comment. So now, if you've made a profit and want to withdraw, all you have to do is to go to the main page and click withdraw. That's next to the deposit button. Select your preferred digital currency, enter your withdrawal address, and set a fund password. Once that's done, enter the amount you want to withdraw and then confirm with your password. Withdrawals usually take around 5 minutes to reach your wallet. And if you would like to earn more money on this platform, you can also earn additional income by inviting friends. Anyone who registers with your referral link appears under the team section and helps you earn commissions from their deposits. So you can trade, play games, and test your skills on this platform. It can be profitable only if you're smart about it. Okay, so but always remember there are risks involved. This video, like I said, is for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.